Guys, how's it going? I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to be doing my first skit on this channel, I think. Yes, my first skit on this channel. Today I'm going to be doing Life of a Squishy Scammer, and this is not going to be, well, I'll decide whether I want this to also be the person receiving it. Hopefully my dad doesn't come in and say it's time for bed, because it's like 7 minutes to 30 past 10, so it's 10:23. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. What's up, guys? It's me, Juno, back with another video, and I got another squishy package, but I don't know where I dropped my phone, but I heard a ding, and I know it's my squishy package. So I'm just going to get that. So I couldn't find my real phone, so I'm just using this. That's why it looks like I'm a noob. Okay, so I got my phone, guys. What? And I'm just gonna check. Okay, so here's what she wanted. She wanted a tooth. She didn't specify, but she said like it has to be more than 10 seconds of slow risingness, and she doesn't want any airy squishies. How rude. Wait, no, I know what tooth she wants. She wants the one with like the line around it. Yeah, with the base. Yeah, that's one. Then she wants a she wants a rainbow marshmallow cake. Then she wants a galaxy unicorn and then a normal unicorn. And then she wants an eye bloom peach. Then she wants a jumbo ice cream. Sorry if I'm going a bit fast. I'll tell you again. Hold on, let me just check something. Then she wants a jumbo rainbow strawberry and a brownie. Hold on. Jumbo brownie, I'm sorry. And then she wants the blue husky. Hold on. And then she wants a mermaid. That's it. So I'm just going to read from my phone and tell you. So first up, the tooth. Now we have a slight problem. I put the tooth that she wants up on my Squishy Seller account, and I had to make a new one. It's called Squishy Seller 101 because my last one got deleted because I was scamming, but they can't block me this time. But this is the only squishy I have, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so it had to be more than 10. She won't mind, and I'm keeping this packaging just in case I get another galaxy tooth. And also she's really greedy because she wants 10 squishies. Good thing I only have 20 left in stock. I have 2 of each. But that's hers. I'm sure she'll like it. I mean, it's really cute. Then she wants a mermaid. Now, I do have these I forgot to say, but she wanted a jumbo mermaid, and all I have is a Squish Delish Hula Girl, and she also said no defects. I mean, I wish I had that one, but I have this one, and it's really small and not jumbo, but this is probably better anyways. More so, I think. Then she wanted a normal unicorn. And she even sent me a picture of what she wanted it to look like. And it looks like this, only more colorful, but she won't notice, right? Yeah, she won't. Oh. I did it again. Okay, hold on there. I gotta fix its nostril. its nostril goes in a bit like that. Then I have to fix it by squishing it and pulling it up and trying to fix it. That's not it. Technical difficulties. Okay, got it. But she won't mind. Then she wanted her rainbow marshmallow cake, and you have this one, and it smells really bad. I mean, it's not that it's not that slow rising. Like it's 1, 2, 3, 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 by 5. 3 seconds by 5 seconds. Yeah. How slow is this one actually? I'm pretty sure this one's really slow rising. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 seconds. This one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I think that was 14. But we got that, guys. Okay. Now on to the next thing. She wanted a eye balloon peach. I mean, I do have a peach, but it's the... Oh, that's not it. But I have the remake version of it. So it's not as slow rising, and it's not as peach-like. More pink. It's not that dense, but it's a soft dense. It does have this keychain. I took off the rest of the keychain. Hold on, I need to change positions because this is... Okay, that's a lot more comfortable. Hey, you can see my face closer up. Sorry about my ugly nail varnish. I did it myself. Color change, woohoo! But she won't mind that. Maybe... I thought there was some text on it, but there isn't. I thought she might. Hold on, guys. I just need to take something. I mean, maybe she'll think that's licensing, even though it does say Squish Delish. I know I wasn't talking about that, but just think. I have to keep. Sorry if I keep on moving. Just need to find a comfortable position. Next she wanted a galaxy tooth. And, I mean, not a galaxy tooth, a galaxy unicorn. But I only have this moon and unicorn. It's not even the right one, but... Sorry about that burp. Lovely. Yeah. And then, she's really greedy, guys. She wanted a brownie. She didn't specify what brownie, but, wait, hold on. Oh, she said jumbo. This isn't even as tall as my phone, and my phone's really small. But it's really nice. It doesn't smell that nice, but it's really nice. Wait, hold on. I just noticed something. Ooh, she said they all have to have a good smell. Hope she likes spaghetti sauce smell. It's not that nice. Then she wanted her strawberry rainbow strawberry jumbo. Her jumbo rainbow strawberry. Sorry. But this is all I have. Okay, guys, I'm running out of time to film, so let's hurry this up and then we'll send it off. And then she also has a YouTube channel, so she might post that. Then she wanted the blue husky, and I saw another husky at the store, and it was a bit different. So I think this might be a cat, but it's a blue husky for me. And she also did say soft and slow, so she won't be able to tell the difference. Then, the last one, I don't know if you saw, but she asked for a jumbo ice cream cone. And this is all I had. So, yeah, I gotta go, guys. Bye, guys. Bye. What's up, guys? How's it going? You thought I was just gonna take off this bow. Heck to the no. I gotta wear another bow. That rhymed. Okay, I need to fix this before you all go screaming. Okay. That's not any better. Okay. Okay. Much better. Let's do that again. Hey, guys! So, I just got my squishy package and I'm really excited. So, I have my phone right here, and the person who the squishy seller, she told me not to look at our video because then it will spoil, even though I already know what I ordered. I didn't really specify the jumbo squishy unicorn, and then I would see it. So, also she said no refunds, which I don't know why she'd say that. And also she said she included an extra, but she just didn't film it. And so I'm gonna look for that first. Hold on, guys. I just need to grab the package. Okay, just need to look. Oh, I think I found it. There's a lot of stuff in here, and also some of them are not that big. But oh, here's the wow. Okay, this is the extra. It's a Rubik's Cube, and also instead of sending me an invoice, she emailed. Okay, she just emailed it to me. I'm losing words right now, but I'm super excited, and I'm just gonna blindly pick and look at my phone and see what I got. Okay. Oh, I feel my tooth. I asked for the tooth on her thing, and I haven't looked at it yet. I'm literally looking up at you guys, and this is a galaxy tooth. 7 seconds. Not even under 10. I asked for over 10 seconds of slow rising this. And I said no airy squishies. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but that's airy. I can hear it from all the way. I can still hear it. Guys, I'm really mad. I'm throwing that in the box that I never use squishies. Then, I hope I didn't get scammed. Maybe that was just one mistake. Okay. I don't remember ordering this. Okay. I knew I didn't like the feel, but look at this. Like, I said no defects, brand new. And I just remembered something. I said in original packaging. None of them are in original packaging. Yep, no original packaging. Just peachy. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. At the highest, 6. Okay, maybe things will look up on the third time's a charm, right? I hope. Oh, I feel my husky. I mean, this is the best one, probably. Because, like, it just has defects. I mean, I know it's a bit different, but does this look like a cat? No. So, I think it might be. Maybe I'm just remembering it wrong. And it's... 17 seconds. A lot over 10. 7. Oh, put that in the wrong box. Gotta put it in that one. Yeah. Okay, next one. Oh, my second unicorn. I mean, I hope this isn't a scam, guys, because I'd be really mad. Oh. This is Jumbo. I saw it on her page, and it was, like, bigger than her head. Like, she held it up to her head. I am going to report her, because I think I'm going to get scammed. I'm going to report her. I forgot what app. Instagram. I'm going to report her and block her. And comment that I got scammed. If I get scammed. There. Oh my god. This one. Okay, this isn't even I Bloom. She thinks I'm stupid. That's not even I Bloom Peach. I am so mad right now. Okay, this was my fault. I didn't specify. I just remembered. I specified Jumbo Brownie. And what did I get? This small brownie. Size of my chin up to my nose. What is this? Is this an extra? Hold on. There are no other ice creams. This is my Jumbo ice cream. Jumbo. This is a mini. Plus, I already have this one. Hold on. Let me just go get it. Look. Same exact one. Definitely not the same one. Okay, maybe I got scammed. Okay. This doesn't feel much like a mermaid. Well, a Jumbo mermaid. A hula girl? Really? And from Squish Delish. I bought this. You can buy these for like €6 or $6. $6.50 in Ireland. Probably like $5 in America. Don't know. Okay, let's just hope for the best for the last one. This must be my. I feel defects. I really feel defects. What? What? And this isn't even rainbow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 seconds. And look how dirty it is. I think I got scammed, guys. I'm legit thinking I got scammed. I'm mad. One last squishy. And it's not even the size of my hand. It's the size of my palm. This is supposed to be my rainbow jumbo squishy. No. What? Okay, guys, that's all I have for you guys today. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below. Did I get scammed? Because I think I did. I'm going to report her right now on Instagram. So, yeah. And so that's all I have for you guys today. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below. Because I want to know, did you enjoy that video? Because if you did, oh, no, scratch that. Have you ever gotten scammed? Have you ever gotten scammed? Comment down below right now. You have 10 seconds to do that. Just write yes or no. 10. Wait. In the time it takes me to play with this squishy. There's not any music going over this, so. Slow rising. And your time is almost up. Time ends now. Well, did you do it? If you did, comment again. I did. And I don't want any lies. And also, thank you, newcomer, for subscribing. I hope you watch all my videos. Guys, we got a new subscriber. I saw it in my inbox. I am just super excited. BT Dubs. I don't have an Instagram, but I do know a lot about it. So yeah. And also, school starting soon. But that is okay because I got a new school bag. I'm just gonna quickly show you. Neato, great. Peace, love, happiness. Bye. Too long.